welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in today's video I'm going to revamp my phone cover. This is a new cover for my new phone, but I wanted something different, like instead of buying new covers, I thought why don't I try something with this only. So I got an idea which I'll be showing you all now. So without wasting time, let's begin.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.